George Washington Carver. New Words 1. Before we read about George Washington Carver, let us learn a few new words and phrases. Slipped.
To slip is to lose control over your feet and almost fall. It happens when the floor is wet or when there is wet mud on the road. Ghasarle.
Splashed.
When some water or other liquid is dashed against something, we say the water or the liquid has splashed on it. Shintode udne.
Mud.
Mud is chikhal in Marathi.
Handkerchief. Handkerchief is a small piece of cloth we carry to wipe our noses or our hands. Haath rumal. Wiped off.
Removed by wiping.
Washed off.
To wash off is to remove something like a stain by washing.
Ordinary.
Ordinary means normal, nothing special. Samanya.
Rushed.
To rush is to go or move fast.
Soil.
Soil is earth in which things grow. Mati.
Quality.
Quality is how good something is. Gunvatta.
Church.
Church is the temple of Christians. ख्रिस्ती लोकांचे प्रार्थना मंदिर.
Believe.
To believe is to accept that something is true. खरे मानणे, विश्वास ठेवणे, समजूत असणे.
Excellent, Riya. Farm.
A farm is where farmers grow different crops, rice or wheat or cotton. Shet.
Sweet potato. I'm sure you all know what sweet potato is.
It's a root vegetable. In Marathi, we call it ratale.
Perfect. What is a museum?
A museum is a place where things from the past and scientific and artistic things are kept for people to see. Vastu Sangrahalay.
Write down these words and phrases and learn them at home.